Folks, how you doing today? So just recently I picked up this hand-carved cowboy in Southern California. This, I believe, was a Dick DeLong carving, probably done 20 years ago, maybe 30 years ago. This is a 2-inch kiln-dried, hand-carved, laminated wood. This is all hand-carved wood. Once again, it was all sliced up into 2-inch laminated, kiln-dried wood, then hand-carved, and that's what makes them stay together and not crack and split. He did a really nice job on it. It has glass eyes. He's a big old boy. When I got him in, he had some sort of a funky hat on him, so I took the head off. I went down to the local hat store, Western store, and bought him a really nice 5X hat. I think it looks perfect on him. Dipped just a little bit. The other thing is that, as you can see, he's a roper. One of the really cool things about this is the actual machine that they installed in this cowboy. This was an early 50s Mills high top with a Western theme. This is a true casino machine. In the 50s, they started putting Formica on machines because that was the latest and greatest thing, Formica tables, countertops, etc. So this has all been done in Formica by the factory for the casinos, as well as this machine has a Western themed cowboy motif on it, which is just really apropos for this. The machine is all original, has a double jackpot. For those of you who don't know, if you hit the jackpot, the machine is going to drop 20 coins and it's going to drop the big cash out of the jackpot. Then when you put another coin in and pull it, that's what makes it a double jackpot. The secondary jackpot will open up and load the bottom jackpot 2/3. Typically, a 5-cent slot machine would pay you right around between $6 and $7.50 for a single coin bet, which is a huge jackpot. I personally did the machine when I got it in. This machine is low to no miles. The machine is just beautiful. You'll be able to see that in the stills. I'm going to show you those pictures. I personally took it all apart, washed the mech completely down, the escalator, washed it all down, serviced everything, re-lubed and tuned. This runs like a top. If you buy this machine, you do not have to be afraid to play it. You can play it all you want. It's good to go. You'll never wear it out. Your grandkids will never wear it out, and neither will their grandkids. That's how tough and durable these machines are. I believe that this machine and these like machines were ran in the Frontier Hotel and Casino. Not exactly sure, but I believe they were out of the Frontier, had put these in the Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. So I'm going to give it a couple pulls for you. I just love this. It's got the horseshoe for the jackpot. It's got the cowboy, the covered wagon. It's got the hat full of dough. It's just a nice machine, and it plays and pays correctly and nice. Pump works. Everything is in this machine. Great running machine. Actually, this is my absolute favorite Mills high top. If I was going to own one, I would own this one, and I think I've only owned one of these in the past. They're fairly rare machines for a Mills high top. Just a great casino machine. Runs, plays, pays. I don't know what else to say about it, except I'd like to keep it. I like the rope. We got a nice original rope. We got a nice original hat on him. Once again, I took the head down, and they were enjoying that, me buying a hat for it. And believe it or not, the guy's got such a big head, I had to buy like a 7 3/4 and then have them block it and stretch it out, and they got a real nice fit on it. It's a 5X hat, obviously in black. Anyway, very cool, very tight, good running, and beautiful for condition for its age. So if you would like to own it, we can get this shipped out to you, blanket wrap, and get it over to your home. And if you have anything for restoration, please let us know, as well as we do layaway if you'd like this. Anyway, thanks for looking. Great machine. Somebody should grab this. It's stunningly beautiful.
Mantiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.